animals and the food they eat. This is JB, and he's trying to figure out which animal does not belong. He is thinking carabao eats grass. Horse eats grass. Cow eats grass. Cat eats fish. And he figured out that the cat does not belong to the group. All other animals eat grass while the cat eats fish. Let's have a look of other animals and the food they like to eat. Dog eats bone. Monkey eats banana. Frog eats flies. Rabbit eats carrot. Bird eats worm. Lion eats meat. Giraffe eats leaves. Sheep eats grass. Chicken eats grains. Now, can you answer this? Let's draw a triangle around the answer. What does a rabbit eat? Carrot, right. What does a bird eat? Worm, correct. What does a frog eat? Fly, correct. What does a lion eat? Meat, right. What does a giraffe eat? Leaves, correct. What does a monkey eat? Banana, right. They are so easy to remember. Now go get your book and answer the drills in there. Have a nice day.